morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody. Welcome, everybody. We're about to get things started. Yes, we are. We are about to get things started. Let me start off with just saying we got 90% off right now, Apex. With code BBM. Take advantage of it. Personally, what I like to do, because the 90% off is so cheap, I like to stock up on them. So, for instance, let's say I want 20 more accounts. I would purchase 20, and then I would purchase another 20 on top of that. Let's say you blow through your first 20. It's cheaper to buy them at 90% off than resetting them. So, it's beneficial if you just stock up on as many as you can, in my opinion. As many as you can to pass in 1 month. Because after 1 month, it just recharges at 80% off. Which is no bueno. You do not want 80% off. It's not the worst, but it's gonna be like expensive if you have like 20 and 80% off. So make sure you, I just purchase as many as I can as I would go through in 1 month. I mean, that's the plan, at least for me. And in a sense, you might be spending more money, but at the end, you'll be saving more money. So if this is something you're going to do long term, in my opinion, might as well. Because it's actually, Apex is really being stingy with 90% off now. So I don't know the next time will actually happen. And it's only 2 days worth of 90% off, so. Yeah, that's just me though. I hope it's useful for you guys. Good morning, pandas. Pandas. Are you ready? I took one more trade after stream. I hope you guys aren't mad at me. I took one more trade after stream. It was this trap trade here, and I got a little bit of bamboo. I had a runner, but the runner didn't go very far. That's it. That was my trade after stream. That's it. That's all I did. I did one more trade after stream. We're up around 900 on our accounts. Which is not bad. Slow and steady wins the race. We need one of those big days. We need one of those days that's just super obvious, the market cycle, and we just keep trading accordingly. We just need one of those days. Market's about to open. 9 minutes. We're here live trading in Nascraq every single day. Why did I switch over to the Nascraq? Because it's cracked out of its mind. It's in the name. It's in the name. Okay. I might take a fail signature short here. It's very close to the open. We do have news at 10, as Bill mentioned. Good morning, Pandas. Bill 7, good morning. Scalp that like button. Made the bamboo flow. Bamboo fountains overflow with. Ruben, good morning. Day trader, good morning. Welcome, welcome, everybody. Second just short actually pushes down pretty hard. It's good for a trap trade here, but no longer interested. Looks something more like this. Make sure you scalp that live, but drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already. Good morning, everyone. Are we back? Are we back to 1 contract days? 2 contracts get you in trouble. 2 contracts get you in trouble. I tell you that. I tell you what. Complete overlap on the higher time frames right now. Market about to open 5 minutes, but we do have news at 10. It could be choppy until then. We do have a big drop right now, and it could create a gap on the 5-minute chart that we have. Right, the 5-minute chart, we only keep the regular trading hours. We do have a gap here on the 5-minute. If this is truly a trading range, we should hit the bottom of this. Unless... that makes more sense. Bub Stocks, good morning. Crimson Demon, good morning. Ruben says, did a rare decision to keep trading yesterday. Got to 1.1K. Haven't had one like that in about a month. Congratulations. 1.1 is nice. I mean, depends on what account you have. If you actually have the 50K accounts, then max you can make if you're trading PA accounts, that is funded accounts, then I believe you can pull out at 2,600. The max you can make is 780. So if you have the 50K accounts, you actually have more than max if you're funded. If you're eval, it doesn't matter. Just do whatever. Where's that guy Gilbert Medina? He's come a couple times. He hasn't gifted in a while, but he comes in and just drops in every once in a while. Is it 2600 or 3600? Oh, I mean, if what I'm saying is if it's funded, then you can pull out money with 2600. But if you're on eval, your goal is 3000. You have to hit 3000. This trading range is proving to be somewhat accurate right now. Man, I found a video of you that was a members only, and of course I can't access it, but there was a guy inside with face revealed. He has very short hairs at you. um, no, it's not me. But you did describe about 90% of males. It could be me. Have you seen the new Top Step rules? No, I haven't. Market just open. Okay, pushing down. Making new lows. Dripping. Dripping. Confusion. Okay, pretty strong push down here. The bottom of the channel currently. Okay. Okay. What in the world? What in the world? Strong bull bar, strong bear bar? What's happening? Pandas, we do have news at 10, so be careful. JOLTS job opening. Is it considered to be high? It's high impact, but do I think it's going to move the markets? Maybe. JOLTS job openings have moved the markets before in the past. It's like 50-50. Wow. High or low here. Taking my pause. It's like an inch short, actually. The first leg is way above the 20 MA. Big push back up. What in the world is going on? 3 pushes down. Trading range is still here. Incredibly. Okay, touches the top of our trading range. See what happens here. We had like an undershoot here. Might lead to an overshoot here. Who knows though? Who knows? Nobody knows. Who's gonna know? Strong bull bars in a row. Multiple. 6 bull bars in a row. Make it 7? Make it 7. Very decisive, the market said. We are reversing back up here. Very decisive. Undershoot, maybe lean to the overshoot, going back into our trading range. Why not? Why not? We do have news at 10, so careful. Interesting. Just watching. Just watching. No entries for us. Interesting. I don't know. I don't know what to do here. I do know what to do here. Sit on my pause. Trap triggers. Pushes up hard with the trap. I don't know. What to do. Okay. Okay. What? What in the world's happening? You're coming back into our trading range, yes or no? Okay. remember, we have news. It could chop till then, but a fail second entry long here could be tempting, somewhat tempting. Bouncing off the top of the trading range. Is that what we're looking for? Is that what we were looking for? Wowzers. Jeez. Give me a higher low or something. Just give me a chance. Trap triggers 2500 tick. I wanted to enter, but this seemed a little overextended. It looks like it wanted to pull back. Pull back we get. Let me get a higher low. Interesting. I don't know. I think I missed the boat. Yep, definitely missed the boat. Randomizer. Hi, good morning. What is the chart that you're using? Top right of the screen. You can see it's the NQ 500 tick. Second entry long. It's beneath the trend line, which causes issue here. Do I want to take a trap here is a question. I don't know. Maybe a failed trap. I'll take the trap, whatever. Failed trap. Take the failed trap. Failed trap. Actually, it's a good looking trap trade here, to be honest. Risk is not too bad either. Risk is not too bad either. Jeez. Trap's gonna fail? Take a failed trap, sure. Okay. What? What in the world? No clue what's happening here. Okay, trap continues to go down. 5 overlapping bars in a row. I'm just staying away from this altogether, to be honest. News at 10. I'm not trying to lose money here for no reason. You know what I mean, Pandas? I mean, if I could help it, I'd rather not lose money. Sometimes you can't help it. Sometimes the setup is too good. You just gotta take. And if you lose it, you'll lose it. This is wild, though, right now. It's a bit wild. This trap doesn't quite get you your 1-to-1 yet. In all things considered, this is a failed trap, in my opinion. Okay. Hard to go long here underneath the 20 MA, and also in this chop. Something's happening though. Big push up. Very strong push up. Makes a new high, right? Higher highs, higher lows. Continue to make these. Officially be in an uptrend. News dropping in 13 minutes. Okay. High or low here setting up. Maybe 5-minute looks a little bearish. All right, it looks a little bearish. Looks like it's really struggling to make new highs. To at least consider it. this is our daily chart. Interesting. Second entry long forming here, maybe. Okay, interesting. I'm unsure. Don't know. Still very confused. Just feels like entry long forming here. Could be a decent push down. It does trigger here. Jeez. Alright. This fails along. Come what may. Come what may. We're in this trade. Enough lollygagging here. We're going to try to fill the gap here. Looking for a new high. I guess the obvious target is the previous day's close, in my opinion. Coming off our trend line, right? This is why I'm taking this trade. Okay, maybe bouncing off the top of this channel too. It's grueling. Every tick is grueling. You gotta fight for every tick today. What in the world? Okay, decent push up. I think we're gonna hit the target. Oh. This previous day's close is what I'm trying to get to. Don't quite get there, actually. We don't quite get there, pandas. I gotta abort, I feel like. I gotta abort mission here. If I can, maybe not. I might not be able to.
Target filled.
I'm out. Goodness gracious. I tried to get it to the previous day's close, which felt like the obvious target. Didn't quite get there. when you're matched with a strong bear bar, you might feel like, you know, the 5-minute also hitting the 20 EMA. I mean, it could reverse here. Anything could happen, really. I was very close to hitting my target, and I just didn't get it. And the reaction off of it was so strong that I just didn't feel like it's worth holding. Didn't feel like it's worth holding. I've seen things reverse like this all the time. Like, all the time. Every day. News dropping in a couple minutes here. This is tough, though. I don't know. I don't know about going long now. I feel like this trend line is all messed up. Basically, I'm creating a trading range now here. Okay. This is very confusing. I'm just gonna wait until news. I don't think I can make a move until news. Can I? I don't think I can. Jeez, this is wild. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Remember code BBM, 90% off pandas off Apex. It's been a while since we had this. I would take full advantage of it while you still can. Wow, look at this pattern developing here. It's incredible. That's crazy. I almost want to sell at the top of this. But we're making higher highs and higher lows still. Wow, strong bull bar ending on its high. Just incredible. I don't know what to make of this. It's crazy. I mean, you gotta look at the current price action and limit order market right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row. And when I say overlapping, I mean they are very overlapping. 5-minute, 1, 2, 3, 4 bars overlapping here. It's just absolutely crazy right now. Do I? Do I just do something cheeky here like this? Just buy down here? Um, let's just wait for news. We're so close to it. By the way, if you want to know what time it is, bottom right. Bottom right, you can see the time. I was thinking about buying here, but it was so close to news. I didn't think I had enough time. Just because the market's making it obvious what's happening here. Buying down here, selling up here. 50 seconds till news. What will happen? I'm guessing the market is going to go up. If I had to make if I had to make a decision, if I had to bet, I would bet going up. Because we're so close to target areas. Key areas. If I was a betting man, if I was a betting panda, if I was a betting pan, my bet would be to go long. 10 seconds. Let's do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. JOLTS job open. Are you going to jolt the market? Does absolutely nothing. Does absolutely nothing. What in the world? That's all you have? I was waiting for that this whole time. That's it. Pushing up. Pushing up. Fills a gap where I've been trying to get to. Way back here, I try to get that gap. And now the gap on the 5-minute chart is looking to get filled as well. Let's see what happens though. Gap fills on the 5-minute chart. 5-minute gap fills as well. Like I said, if I was a betting man, I would bet long. And long it goes. Very strong push up here. Nothing I can take advantage of, really. But it is a strong push up. I really can't capitalize on this. It's hard to. We made $5 whole, pandas. I mean, green is green, no? Did I even make money today with the commissions? Did I even make money? I have no idea. Keep dropping. Come back to the bottom of the channel. Let's see what happens here. Okay, lower high. Okay, hits the bottom of the channel here. Pretty much down to it. If we trap here, I think I gotta try. If we trap here, I gotta try. I think if we trap here, I gotta try. Okay, or not. Or not. Or not. Sorry for even thinking about it. Somehow it's like this. Market say close enough. We bounce here. Close enough. Woo-wee! Look at this. Look at this. Okay. Wow. All right. What can you say? What can you say? It is what it is. What a push, though. What a push. We're breaking out here now. Should I do something cheeky and reverse it here? Should I? It feels like it's a strong uptrend now. I don't know. But we're just in this channel. Huh. Who knows? This was tough. Like, I wasn't expecting this V bottom type situation here. I did think we are gonna bounce off here, but not like that. We didn't even touch it. Okay. I don't know. How does one navigate these turbulent waters? How does one trade these choppy markets? Typically, I say if you can't beat them, join them. What in the world, though, is happening? Okay. No clue. I have no clue, pandas. I'm just gonna let this market just unfold before our eyes because this is wild. It's actually wild right now. Second entry long. I don't think it means much though. I don't think the second entry long means much, to be honest. Don't forget, use code BBM for 90% off. And it will do you good. It will benefit you if you stock up. It will do you good if you stock up. Typically, it's best when something goes on sale, something is cheap, and it's something that you know you're going to use. Get as much of it as you can. Trap trade here. I can't even take the trap trade here. There's just not enough room. There's just not enough room, is there? Outside bar reversal. I guess there is enough room. Going back to the bottom of the channel. I might as well do something cheeky here. Let's see what happens. I might as well. Let's just see if the pattern continues. I mean, why not? Why not? Jeez Louise. Will the pattern continue? We've been in this like channel for such a long time. Let's look at your short triggers on the 5-minute chart. Let's see if anything comes of it. We're gonna have a deep pullback. Looks like we're gonna have a deep pullback here. The moment I try, we get a deep pullback. It's all good. The moment I try, we get the deepest pullback of them all. Wow, comes out exactly break even actually.
Target filled.
Getting out. I'm too scared. Come out break even, but Panda's green is green. I'm up $10. That's incredible. It's gross. It's sick. $10? How crazy is that? How crazy is that? I guess I could have held it. Made a little bit more. Jeez Louise. I guess I could have held it, made a little bit more. Wow, what in the world is this? Take the higher low, get to the top of the channel, see if we get there. Higher low. Is that my setup though? Is higher low really my setup here? Is higher low really my setup here? Okay. Hmm. Doesn't really quite get very high. It's tough. I'm up $10, pandas. I mean, green is green. I'm doing better than 90% of people. No? Isn't it 90% of people lose money? I'm in the top 10 percentile right now with my positive $10. See what is made of this. This is made of. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Interesting. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Hmm. Don't know about this one. Yeah, I don't know about this one. Record level bottom. Okay, pushes on hard. Guess not. Weird. Weird, 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 weird. don't love it. In fact, I hate it. Let's see if anything comes out of this. I'd be rich if I had 1 million accounts with 10. Absolute, I would have $10 million. Goodness gracious. Alright, I guess that's nothing. This is very confusing. This is very confusing in my opinion. I have no idea what's happening. Got an OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. It breaks the OI pattern to the downside. This could be a strong push down. Quite possibly. Yep, big push down. It's the OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. Has it made a 1-to-1 yet? Yep, it makes a 1-to-1 very quickly actually. We're going to continue the push down is a question. I'm still sitting on my pause, no clue what's happening here. Goes right into choppiness. Push down, choppiness. Not sure what to make of this. See, inside bars on the higher time frames. What do I mean by inside bar? It means that this bar is completely inside the previous bar. Right? The high is lower than the high of the previous bar. The low is higher than the low of the previous bar. So it's completely inside the range of the previous bar. So we call this an OI pattern, outside, inside, OI. And the way you trade this is that you just put an order right beneath it or right above it. If it triggers, you do a 1-to-1. And you can see around here is where people took their profits around the 1-to-1 of the inside bar. I was considering doing it, but it was just so confusing. I just left it alone. Just left it alone. I have no idea. It's so choppy. Second inch short forming here. It's a good signal bar on that second inch short. Very nice signal bar actually. pushing down here now is the question, though. Decent push down. Goes back up, retraces around this area. Triggers a trap underneath the 20 EMA though, unfortunately. So no trade here. This is classic choppiness. I stayed away from everything here because of all the choppiness leading up to it. It's made things very confusing. I'll take this trade though. If we break this low, I'll take this trade. This will trigger the trap on a 2500 tick. Plus, it'll be a second entry short, lower high second entry short. Fail trap on the smaller time frame. So I'll try here. It's a confluence of a couple setups across multiple time frames. Right, 2500 tick trap. There's a trap here. Let's take it with one contract though. Let's just make some bamboo today, yeah? Just make a little bamboo. I think that's a win. Just ending green today might be a win today. That's all we want. Really. Don't quite even get there. I don't know if I like it. Yeah, that's what I thought. Reverses immediately the moment it touches. We're basically stuck in this channel right now. Could have come up break even there if I didn't like it.
Target filled.
Get me out of here. What kind of nonsense is this? Get me out of there. I don't like it. I'm skunking everything today. I'm up $35, pandas. I'm up 35 bamboo roonies. Better than nothing. Better than nothing. It's a disgusting day. I should have held that. Should have held that trade. No! Should have held it. It's all good. It's a tough day overall, so I don't mind. It's okay. We'll let it go. We'll let it go. Plenty of better days ahead. I'm just happy being green. I'm happy I'm not like massive red today. Stayed very patient today. Very patient. It's a being an okay trade like this. Coming off the trend line, also the 20 EMA. Should I have activated my diamond cojones? I just didn't like the fact that the moment it entered, it reversed. I hate that. I absolutely hate that. That's exactly what it did. So I hated it. Finale up 1.3K. Jeez, you guys are killing it. You guys are killing it. I'm here just with my measly 35 bamboo roonies. What do we do? What are we doing with our lives? But congratulations making money in this market. I don't think it's particularly easy. Easy with hindsight, I guess. You just see it hit the channel, and then all of a sudden it pushes down. Wasn't expecting that. I almost want to buy breaking this low here and reversing. I almost just want to buy there if it does happen. You know what I mean, pandas? MMXXXM says respect to Panda for showing everything in live stream, but it's funny how when are only boasting in the comments after the trade went up a few points in their favor or when they have a green day. It's funny how people brag when they're up. Absolutely. But you know what? I don't mind it. I'm glad if pandas make money, I'm glad. I'm glad. Right? You making money has no bearing on me. Literally, as a bear, has no bearing on me. If anything, it just makes me happy. And makes me happy for you. If a panda's making bamboo somewhere, hey, it's just reason to celebrate. But I get it. I get what you're saying. Most people only put comments down when they're like, oh, I'm up. No one's really out there, you know, telling us, oh, I lost money in this trade, I lost money here, I lost money here. You know, it's just, of course, you want to spread the good news. I get it. I don't mind. I don't care. It doesn't bother me. Okay, we're pushing up now. What? What am I supposed to do here? So much choppiness. This is incredible choppiness right now. What to do, what to do. Just go short here. Do something cheeky and just go short at the top of this. Knowing that today is a limit order market. Okay, pushing up here. D1 Mammoth says, in fact, the last 4 years I've been doing this, I have lost 9 accounts to batch 9 whole accounts. Are you kidding me? I'm joking. 9 accounts is nothing over 4 years. 4 years, 9 accounts. I wish I lost only 9 accounts. Jeez, that's really good. Trader Steve said, I lost 9 accounts in the last 2 days. Exactly. 9 accounts is nothing. I eat 9 accounts for breakfast. Upsides. I was one trade away from passing. Now I'm about 700. So I'm a dip Pandas. Have a good day. Recoup. Get out of there. You get it tomorrow. Today's just not the day. I can tell you right now, today's price action is not it. I mean, it's crazy. I'm really only streaming, only trading right now because I'm streaming this. But otherwise, I would have shut this down a long time ago. This is just yuck. Tomorrow might be a better day. We have news tomorrow, Pandas. Don't forget. News tomorrow. We have news at 8:15 a.m. ADP non-farm. 10 a.m. ISM services, and 1:45 Fed Chair Powell speaks. He speaketh. All right, here we go. Decent push up now. What's going on? No idea. Actually, I have no idea what's happening. It looks like we're loving the previous day's close here. Seems like a magnet for us today. Right, it was a magnet all over here. Now we're back up to this magnet. Basically, that breakout area, we're back to here. Did I know this was going to hit previous day's closing? No, I had no idea. I thought we were going to come back down to this trading range. It's actually absolutely wild. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 2500 tick chart. But if you look to the left of the chart, it's in the trading range. Strong bull bar ending on its high, but look to the left of the charts, we just went right back into chop. Up 35 Bambaroonies. I mean, green is green, yeah? I'll take it. Better than being red. Better than being red. I think I'm proud of myself today. Patting myself on the back. Just because I'm not red today. Especially on a day like today. I don't think it's particularly easy. Best thing to do is most of the time, sit on your paws. Okay, interesting. Wow. Just wow. Second entry long. Jeez. Not like this. By the way, Panas, if you want to watch the stream as close as live as possible, make sure the live button is red. And also, watching 2x speed, it'll catch up. Right. YouTube has a certain buffer that it considers to be live, but to get close as possible, watching 2x speed. And then it will slow down. If it continues to go 2x speed, once it catches up, then let us know. Because you just discovered time travel. Looking to the future. We got bigger issue. We got bigger things to, bigger fish to fry. If that's what happened. Decent push down, very nice. No setups though. Okay. Last trade of the stream. Why not? Never mind. Hate those outside bar reversals. This would be a nice strong bear bar, ending on its low. I guess it ends up coming back into our trading range, ultimately. Ooh, fail trap. Hello. Fine. Give it to me. Give it to me. What in the world? Pandas, this is tough. I mean, there's nothing to do here. I got nothing. Yeah, 4-second delay. 3 to 4 seconds is kind of what is like the best you can get with YouTube. am I supposed to make of this? How am I supposed to make money here? I do not know. I'm as confused as you are. On the higher time frame, this is an inside bar. Like maybe on the 15-minute. The 5-minute basically created like a triangle. Basically creating a triangle right now. So, a higher time frame, this probably looks like a OI pattern. Something like that. What is this? What am I looking at here? Oh my goodness. Slow as molasses. Finally get some movement here. It looks a little bearish to me, if anything. Look in the left. Look to the left, like we're in a range, so it's not something I would feel comfortable going short here. Okay. Okay. Truly the most choppy little market we have right now. Wow. Can it get any more choppy than this? I don't think so. This is max chop right now. It's choppy on the smaller time frame. It's choppy on the higher time frame, as you can see here. If you can't beat them, join them. Should we go long? Should we go long here? Kind of looks bearish, right? If I look at the 5-minute chart, actually it looks a little bearish to me. Basically a double top. Ooh, pushing up a little bit though here. Last chance to push up. Is that what it's trying to do? No clue. Absolutely no clue here. Wow. No clue. Jeez. What's happening here? I guess a triangle persists. Last trade. Let's just see if anything happens. I don't know. I doubt it. I truly doubt it, but let's see. Doesn't make sense. This trade doesn't make any sense, but I'll do it anyways. It looks like it's gonna be small risk, so I don't mind it too much. Okay, bigger risk. No, it looks bad. It's really bad. Looking for a new low, perhaps now. It's a little bearish now. Made a new low. Probably one more leg down. Let's wait for a pullback, one more leg down here. Might not even get it. Might not even get one. No pullbacks. There's one. I'm gonna look for another leg down here. See if we can get it. Teeny risk here. Trap here. This looks like it's gonna fail. Okay. Interesting. I don't know, should I try another short here? Now the risk is much bigger, which I don't like. me just come back into our trading range. I'll try. I'll try. Why not? What do I have to lose? I guess it's coming back up. No chance. It was a good signal bar. I felt like maybe there was a chance to push down, but it's all good. We're gonna get wrecked here. I gotta trade opposite. I gotta go long. This higher low is absolutely diabolical right now. Yeah, no entries to go long, just completely reverses super hard. I don't know what to do here. Take one more trade today and just see what happens. If we get it, fails second entry short here, I'll take it. I'm eager to jump in, but whatever. I don't care. I really don't care. What's that? What kind of range is that on that bar? Forget it. I'm not even wait. I'm not gonna even wait for it to fail second entry short. Probably should have, jeez. I'm gonna keep going up until it reverses one tick underneath the previous candle's low. See what happens here.
Target filled.
The moment I get out, it would explode. The moment I get out, it would explode. Ah! Okay, we're green. I don't care. Pandas, we're done. We're done. I mean, come on. I mean, what a frustrating day. What a frustrating day. Oh man, the moment I got out of this trade, it freaking explodes into the hemispheres or into the stratosphere, to the hemispheres. What does that mean? Goodness gracious, Panda, this is not it. This is not it, Panda. This is not today's not the day. It's not it. I'll just tell you that much. I think tomorrow hopefully will be a better day. Pandas, with that being said, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Remember, there's news tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. So please be aware. Take full advantage of code BBM for 90% off. Today is the last day, so please take advantage of it while you still can. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.